Sammy and Tim had some money. Sammy had 4/5 of what Tim had, which means that Sammy has 4 units of money and Tim had 5 units of money. They had lunch together at a restaurant and shared the cost of the meal. Tim paid 5/7 of the cost of the meal and had $10 left, which means Tim paid 5. Changes this red color. Okay, Tim paid 5 parts out of 7. Okay, 5 part out of 7, which means Sammy. Okay, Sammy paid 7 minus 5. Sammy paid 2 parts. Alright. Now, Sammy actually used 1/3 of his money, not honey. Okay, please change this. Money. To pay for his share. Okay, how much did the meal cost? Now, first up, we notice something. Okay, for Sammy, he used 1/3 of his money, right? But he had 4 units of money. 4 units is not a multiple of 3. So what we can do is to change this into a multiple of 3. Okay, as we are writing our steps. Okay, so we have at start. We can draw for ourselves a table, right? At the start for Sammy and also for Tim. Sammy had 4 units of money. Tim, on the other hand, 5 units of money. Okay, and they paid some amounts. So that can actually be the change, right? And then after. Well, this is really a before change after problem, right? Before they had a certain amount of money, there's a change, there's an after as well. So if you don't want to write at start, you can also write before. So 4 units for Sam, 5 units for Tim. And they spend some money for the meal. So Tim, for example, he paid 5 parts. So take away 5 parts. And Sammy, take away 2 parts. Well, Sammy actually used 1/3 of his money. So what is 1/3 of 4 units? Again, if you take 1/3 times 4, you will get a decimal. So we push this into a multiple of 3. So we times 3 here. We will get 12 units for Sammy. And we'll do the same thing for this guy here, times 3 also. 15 units. Okay, so what is 1/3 of 12 units? 1/3 of 12 units. That will be 4 units, right? So this should actually not be 2 parts, it should be 4. So that we can change all to units. How do I change this to 4? We multiply this by 2. We do the same thing here, times 2 as well. So take away 4 units for Sammy, take away 10 units for Tim. So for Sammy, 12 minus 4 units, you will have 8 units left. For Tim, 15 units minus 10 units, you will have 5 units left. Okay, bear in mind with this, the meal will have costed 4 plus 10, that will be 14 units. So these 5 units, we know the value because we know Tim had $10 left. So 5 units is equals to $10, and we proceed to find 14 units. $10 divided by 5, that will be $2. So 14 units, that is the cost of the meal. $2 times 14. Final answer for this question, $28.